Stick around for the best craft to say I miss you to your bestie or best friend, because you guys are really gonna love this one. Hey everybody, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Cheryl and I'm the activity author here to bring you another book inspired craft video. Now guys, we have a terrific author for you here today. Y'all, today's book is called I Miss My Friend and That's Okay by Shermaine Perry-Knights. Now I know y'all want to hear more about that book, but guess what? We are going to have to show you the craft first, and then I'll tell you more about the book after the craft, okay? So without further ado, y'all know what I always say, let's get crafty. If you get this book, you'll notice that dandelions are all up and through this book, okay? And airplanes. Paper airplanes. So I decided to incorporate the two. Now guys, did you also know that the dandelion was selected in 1998 as the official flower of the military brat? Did y'all knew that? Well, if you didn't know, the reason why they chose dandelions was because dandelions are able to grow and bloom in just about anywhere they are rooted and planted. Makes sense? Y'all get it? So not only, does dandelions symbolize happiness and joy and perseverance and hope, and that's why I think it's the perfect representation of a military brat. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, military brats, I just, kind of incorporate that. And I did a dandelion craft too. If y'all want to click the card up top, y'all can see another dandelion craft. But yeah, I love that the dandelions were incorporated. So we decided to some cardstock, some Q-tips, and some rubber bands, and some paint. So all you're going to do is take the Q-tips, right? And I got about 8 here. You're going to take some rubber bands and you're going to kind of tie them together, kind of maneuver them like I'm doing here, so that way it can be our nice little hamper. So now I'm going to get the paper prepared by putting a bunch of dots, and you can do brown or black, and then you're going to make some stems, and then have the kids go and make the dandelions by pressing the Q-tips into the paint and, just incorporating. Now you don't want to oversaturate the Q-tips. I found the best way to do this is lightly put them in the paint and then continuously dab them. That gives them the most fluffiest look to me. And then I'm going to also take some cream here and I'm going to incorporate that. So I'm using cream and yellow, but you guys can use whatever colors you want. They both work fine, but I find out mixing them make it, it's a nicer texture. So you're going to let this dry, and once it's dry, you can flip it over and write your note to your friend or your letter. And then you're going to take that letter and turn it into an airplane. Now let me show y'all the best airplane that I've learned how to make. And then using the cardstock makes it better because it's, more solid. So go ahead and take your paper, fold it in half like I'm doing here. And then you guys are going to just continuously follow me. I think you guys can kind of see how to do this just by looking. So do it with me, okay?
It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, Tell the girls I wanna meet her. 1 second from that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper. Spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time. She's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Let the girl say yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave this. I saw the dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Just 1, 2 step, 1, 2 step. Now with the music is moving.
Y'all can't tell me this isn't the cutest airplane you've ever seen. Oh, yes. Now let's test it out and see how far it goes. Ooh, I'm nervous. All right, this first one, yeah, that was a fail. All right, the second one gives you more accuracy. Y'all see that? I told you, this design is just something about this design. It flies perfectly.
I wonder who is in this letter. Let's that's silly. You make me happy. Ohio.
Is not the same without you.
Please. Or still my best friend.
Yeah. Well, you know, I'm just gonna dust the dirt off my shoulder because you already know the creativity is popping over here. The moment you guys are waiting for. Y'all want to hear more about the book that inspired today's craft, right? I got you. Are you looking for a book that teaches about the power of friendship? Well, here it is. I Miss My Friend and That Is Okay is a heartwarming story about two best friends, Grace and Carrington, who live far apart and they share their lives through letters, both the good and the bad. When Grace moved to Italy, she missed Carrington and her old life, and also, you know, she learns about, you know, enjoying the new experiences and making new friends. And this is just a really powerful book that shows children, you know, how to be adaptable while celebrating the enduring powers of friendship. Readers will also discover the magic of true friendship that offers comfort and strength during life's obstacles while also encouraging self-discovery and personal growth. This book is perfect for children ages 6 to 10, and it is all a part of the And That's Okay series. So she has more books just like this in her series. Shermaine Perry-Knights is an award-winning facilitator and a TEDx international speaker, a world traveler, and an author. She has over 10 years of writing, teaching, and public speaking experience, and she is a proud military kid and a lifelong learner. She helps others to develop their emotional intelligence and leadership skills through her professional certifications, and she also owns the publishing agency Amazingly Published LLC. Now, Shermaine has traveled all throughout Asia, West Indies. She's lived and studied in Europe and Middle East, and she shares these experiences in her keynote speaking. So if you guys are interested in having her as a speaker at your next event, you guys should definitely head to her website, which is linked below, and book her, guys. And she also has bulk packages that you guys can order her books in. All of that is available on her website, so definitely go click that link in the description and check out all about Miss Shermaine, because she is doing great things. She has so many books. She's doing all of these vendor events, so y'all definitely check her out and follow her on her socials. I want to thank you guys so much for sticking around until the end, guys. Don't forget to subscribe because you already made it this far in the video, so you obviously love my channel, so you don't want to lose me. So subscribe so you know every time that I post. Make sure y'all go in the description box right now, check out today's author, and make sure you guys follow them on all of their social medias. Let's share my videos, because if you don't share my videos, people can't find out about me. So let's go ahead and share these videos so we can get more people in our army, in our tribe. And if you love what you saw here today, click on one of these 2 videos on the screen to keep the party going, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.